we are the group 3. In this video, we're going to show you different acts and situations about the 5 functions of communication. Here is an example of social interaction. One of the functions of communication. Hello everyone. Hi.
Another function of communication is information dissemination. Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
Now, our topic is chemistry. What comes into your mind when you hear chemistry? Yes, Almar?
Chemical composition.
Okay, very good. Any other answer? Yes, Camille.
Science.
Very good, Camille. So, is that all? So, what is chemistry? Chemistry is a science that deals with the composition, structure, and properties of the substances, and with the transformation that they undergo.
Here is another example of communication, emotional expression.
Bro, life these days are getting hard. My dog got hit by a truck. He was the best pet I ever had.
Bro, it's okay. Life is not really hard. Just move on.
Take this medicine 3 times a day and you can buy it in the pharmacy outside.
Thank you, Doc. Thank you.
And remember, persistence turns obstacles into opportunities. Keep moving forward.